Good morning, students. Till now, you have learned about trigonometry, and most of all knowledge of trigonometry I have covered all the exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, then 9.1. All links are sent to you for solving that exercise. Now I am going to start new lesson, that is lesson 1, real number. Lesson 1, that is real number. You all know about the real numbers, different types of numbers you have learned about, that is natural number, integers, whole numbers, rational numbers, all these type of numbers you have learned about. So today we will learn about real numbers. Euclid was one mathematician. Euclid, he was a mathematician, and he told you that any number, whichever number you can take, real number, natural number, even number, odd number, any number which you know, complex number. So any number can be shown, any number can be shown in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. Means A is any number, you can take it, and that number can be shown in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. And he also told you that the value of R is between 0 and that B. If you are taking B any number, so your value of R will be less than B and it will be greater than equal to B. So let this thing I will write here, so that in further studying you can know how to use it. Euclid said that A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is between 0 and B. This is B and R is between 0 and B. This is told by Euclid, and this you should remember. You have to use it for solving the sum also. Now let me go on exercise 1.1. First sum is of HCF LCM, and you have to find the HCF by Euclid method. What they have told you in exercise 1.1, exercise 1.1, first question, you have to find HCF. Two numbers are 135 and 225. 135, other number is 225. We know that 225 is greater than 135. First of all, you have to check which number is greater, and then you have to take the greater number, and greater number you have to divide the greater, means during the sum you have to do each and everything on that page. On the rough work also you have to do it there. Don't do the rough work on last page and only write here. So you have to solve this by Euclid method. What they are telling, Find HCF. Find HCF by Euclid method. So this is Euclid method. Any number can be shown in the form A equal to B, because you have to use this and you have to find it. For this, what you have to do, you have to divide 225 is a greater number. You have to take a dividend, take 135 as a divisor. Now you have to divide it like this. This division, all of you know how to divide the two numbers. So what I am doing, I am taking 225 as a dividend, 135 as a divisor, and I will divide it. 135 ones are 135 minus it. This division, you know it. You will get 90. Understood? This you have to write it here. 225 is equal to 135 into 1 plus remainder 90. What I written? A is equal to BQ plus R. This method I have used. Euclid algorithm. This shows the Euclid algorithm. You have to write 225 like this. 225 is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. Now continue the division. Take 135 here and you will continue the division. What I have done, I have taken 135 downward and I will continue the division. So 90 ones are 90. I will get 45. This also will write like this. 135 is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45 is your remainder. Understood what I am doing? I am dividing in rough, but you have to do this rough work also in your solution. But write it like this in Euclid method. So now continue the division. 90 you will take here. 90. 45 2s are 90. So I got the remainder 0. So continue it. 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. Here when I get the remainder, the upper remainder will be the HCF, or you can say B is the HCF. Anything you can take. When the remainder 0 is coming, you can take the upper remainder as a HCF, or you can see the B, what is B, or you can take B as a remainder, both will be the same. So HCF of 135, 225 is equal to 45. This is your answer. Understood what I have done? When the remainder comes 0, at that time you can take the upper remainder as a HCF. Now come to second sum. Second sum of 1.1 exercise. I will take second sum of 1.1 exercise. This type of division you have to do in your sum only, but we want only the A is equal to BQ form. The checker will see the A is equal to BQ form. He will not see your division. By dividing, don't write directly the answer. Second question, 196, comma 38220. Here 38220 is greater, 38220 is greater than 196. So I will divide 196, I will take as a dividend, divisor, and 38220 I will take it as a divisor. I know that 196 1 ja. First I will take 1 ja, 19. What I had in 190, I had taken, sorry, 196 1 ja, 196. If I will take 2, it will become greater. So I am taking 1 ja. So we will minus it. 6, 7 minus 9, 8, 86. 7, 8, 9, 8. 9 plus 17, right? So carry 2 downward. Now you take by 12 minus 6, that is 6, right? 7 minus 8, 9 plus 8, 862. Now I will take 9 ja. So when I will take 195, I will get 38220. So here our remainder is becoming 0. So here we can write directly 38220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. Your remainder is 0. So what I told you, the B is the HCF. So here HCF will be HCF of 196 and 38220 will be 196. You can divide it 1 by 1 also, or directly you can do like this also. Both the methods are same. Now let me take your third sum of finding HCF. Sum, you have to do all this sum 2 times in your notebook so that you can be able to solve any type of sum. 867 225. Third sum is 867 and 225. This is your third sum. So what I will do, I will check which is greater. 867 is greater than 225. So I will divide 867 by 225 like this. Here you have to write 867. Greater one you have to write it here. 867. So first I will take 3 ja. 867 3 ja. 225, 3 ja you will take. You will get 765. 765. So by minusing you will get 102. This you have to write it here as a Euclid form. 867 is equal to 225 into 3 plus remainder is 102. Now carry it here 225. Now you have to divide by 102. 102 ja 204. So what you will get? 51 you will get it. So this you have to write as a Euclid form. 225 is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. Now take 102 here. You have to divide it by 51. 51 2 ja 102. You will get remainder 0. So you have to write in the form of Euclid. 102 is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. You have got remainder 0. What I told you, when the remainder comes 0, upper remainder will be your HCF, or you can take B as a HCF. Here HCF of 867 225 is 51. This is your answer. Same way, if any type of sum is given, you have to do this rough work in your solution of sum only. Don't do this rough work in last page or some other place. You have to do this in your sum only, so that paper can check it and he also can know how you are doing the sum. Now this type of sum are asked. 1.1, these three sums are done for you. You have to write it 2 times. This and other sum of exercise 1.1 will be done for you, and some illustration, some images will be also put for you, so that you can learn from image also. You just watch the video, use this method. This reminder you will use on next sum. Here these are the sum of only HCF. Now we will do some problem sums. Proving sum we will do further, that you will learn in next session.